That's not a knife. This is a knife.
Alright, well, I don't usually do these, but I have two exciting boxes, and I posted a poll on Instagram, which is on the screen, by the way, and people said I should do it. So, a box from my friends over at Integrated Engineering, which, you know, they've supported the channel for a long time. I'm gonna try to do this one take. I may fast forward through some of the box opening stuff, because that's like kind of boring, but we'll try to do this one take. I've been homies with Integrated for a long time. Oh, there's a stupid staple in here. I forget they always have staples in their boxes. They actually did help me do the first mod that I ever did on the S4 way back in the day. Do we open the big box first or the little box first inside the box? We'll go little box first. And I believe what this guy is Integrated's new high pressure fuel pump. Got some stickers in here. Oh yeah, it is. Maybe I won't take it out of the box right now, but if you guys didn't know, in order to run E40, Integrated recommends running an upgraded fuel pump. And so for a while, Autotech was the go-to, but Integrated has now kind of made their own internals for the fuel pump that flow up to 3% more than the competitors. And what's nice about them is, like I said, I'm not going to take, you know what? It's a bag, I can take it out. What's nice about Integrated's unit is they'll actually send you out an entire brand new fuel pump, whereas before, if you saw my S4, we had to take the fuel pump apart, which is a little sketchy and definitely not the most fun process. So this is really cool that they're sending it all in one unit, and it means that you can, you know, if you were to get rid of the car and you wanted to keep the fuel pump or sell the fuel pump, you just swap your stock one back in, and it's not going to go through all the effort of replacing the internals and everything. Now, I did see some people saying that the price point on this was higher than expected. You have to remember that this is a brand new fuel pump, along with the integrated internals. So the internals from Autotech, I believe, are around $350 to I think it's $400 actually. For just the internals, you're getting a brand new fuel pump and better quality internals, or rather better flowing internals, as well as better quality, I'm sure. One down. Now this one is the one that, I guess I was very excited about the fuel pump too, but this is where the sauce is at, baby. This box is more power, baby. This is the latest addition to the IgnitionTube apparel line. You can get yours from Integrated Engineering. They're drop shipping it for me. It's a belt chain, you know. Guess what we have in here? More stickers. If you don't know what this is, that's the second pulley. That's for more go fast, baby. So yeah, if you guys didn't know, this is the crank pulley for the SQ5, so we'll run an upper and a lower pulley. That technically makes it dual or double pulley, and that makes a considerable more amount of power. So if you saw, we installed the JHM high flow catted downpipes and test pipes, which means that now we can safely go dual pulley and not worry about our cats at all. Oh, and it comes with bolts too. I suppose I should take this off. We don't want to, you know, promote the apparel line too much. All right, and I don't know how I'm gonna do these. These boxes are taped together. But I got the boxes apart. So these boxes are through Nemesis Autosport, which, if you know Nemesis Autosport, they're a reseller. Mops, Nema, Martin, they're all really awesome guys. You guys know I've worked with Mops in the past for suspension and wheels on the SQ5, and they actually sell European parts now. So they can source European parts for you. So if you have 2 and 2 put together there, Vallejo is a headlight manufacturer. These packages are from Latvia. I bet you can guess what's in here. Ta-da! We got the clear corner. Oh, you can't see it. It's all covered up. Oh yeah. Those are brand new E-codes, European headlights for the SQ5. Notice the clear corner there. Oh, I'm so excited. Well, there you have it, boys and girls. New headlights, dual pulley, fuel pump, and a koozie, just for, you know, visual effect. Super excited about this. A huge thanks to Integrated Engineering and Nemesis Autosport. Excited for the upcoming videos, and figured, you know, I got 2 big boxes, or 3 big boxes technically, to open. Might as well put it on camera. If you like videos like this, let me know. I probably won't be making many more like this in the future because, well, I don't usually get this many parts at once. But it's an exciting time. I'm excited for spring 2020 and to put down some good times at SQ5. So next video should be an install of this, hopefully. As always, thank you guys for watching. Go out there and spread some positivity, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Oh, exciting.